Hello, I wanted to show you really quick what I put in the Lustigt. I believe that's what it's called. So here is my traveler's planner book. So I'm gonna leave it like that because it doesn't fit inside. And then these are my pens, my bone folder, and my ruler, and my tape, and a little post-it note, and a little scissor. So that's what I have on top here. So let me move this to the side. And so right now, in this little drawer that comes out, I have, why is it not coming out now? Okay. It did come out before. Okay. So here I have my hole punch, my little Prima water thing, and my scissors. So that's what I have in that one. And then the other one, I have my little stamp here from One Canoe 2. And I made these pockets using the We Are Memory Keepers pocket. And I have all of my pictures that I want to put into my traveler's planner. So, and then in the big opening, I have this set that I bought from Tuesday Morning. And then I have this that I bought from, where did I buy this from? I think it was Tuesday Morning too. And so I have different little stamps. These are from AliExpress. Yes, all of these are from AliExpress except the little bird. The little bird, I bought it in, I think, Tuesday Morning in a little packet. So that's in there. Then I have all of my stickers and enamel dots, little cutouts, little ephemeras, and a big book of stickers and a whole bunch of stickers in here. And then some stickers from AliExpress also. And this little plastic is from Coco and Reno because I bought a stamp from them. And so I put all my stickers in here. Then I have this, I got it from the Stamp Expo. And so I put some acrylic blocks and some of my Nuvo paints and my Picket Fence Intense Black ink in here. And so I have a Panama Rose, Rubber Duck, and a Line Burst of the Nuvos in there. Then I have some glue dots in here, just in case I need it. Then I have this hollow book clip so that I could leave my planner open. I have that in here. I have my We Are Memory Keepers. I don't know what this is called, but I have the paper here. So this is called, my husband came home. Hold on, I will be right back.